Hey Process Pros, it's Brian Ragone. I'm back with another feature update in Puzzle. This feature update has to do with customizable step sidebars. So what this allows you to do is you can customize what features within a specific workspace you see and what features you don't see in the workflow canvas. It's super easy to set up your step sidebar. The first step is to go to the top right and look for the settings gear. And when you click on the settings gear, you will be brought to your workflow settings. This is a new tab in the settings area where you'll be able to do two very important things. The first thing that you'll be able to do is you can now set your default tab, which means if you have 5 or 6 different tabs in your workspace, you can now designate which tab you want to always be brought to anytime you go to the workflow canvas. So you can see I have this drop down and I've selected RevOps as my default workflow tab, but let's say that I'm on the support team, for instance, and I actually want to go to product support. You just click product support, click save, and now from now on, if you click over to the workflow canvas, you will be brought straight to the product support tab. The second feature that I want to walk through is the step sidebar customization. Now for all new workspaces, by default, your workspace will have all of these features disabled. And so when you create a new workspace, you can come into the settings and turn on any of the features that you want to use for that specific workspace. So you can see the options here. We can turn off and on step status, step type, executor, associated roles, which helps you connect your team designer with your process flows, associated attributes, which helps you connect your data model to your diagrams, step cost calculator, which helps you calculate the total time and costs associated with the process step, tasks, and the ability to sync your Zapier, HubSpot, or Make systems to your diagrams. So you can see if I click save here and I come back to the workflow canvas and I click on a given step, you will see that there are very minimal inputs on this sidebar. And so what this allows for is, depending on who you're talking to or who you're presenting to, you might want to configure the level of complexity that you show that particular person in your presentation. Or if you just want simple diagrams in Puzzle, now you can disable all of those more complex power-ups that we have in the system. But if you do want to take advantage of all of the game-changing features that make your diagrams super, super powerful in Puzzle, you can come in here and toggle all of those settings on for any new workspace that you create. If you already have an existing workspace, those power-ups will already be enabled, so it only applies to brand new workspaces that you create after today. So if you want to learn more about this feature, feel free to sign up for your 7-day free trial at puzzleapp.io. Thanks.